The 1965 Lincoln Continental is a quintessential symbol of American luxury and automotive craftsmanship. However, a stunning Restomod of this classic beauty is set to steal the spotlight at Barrett-Jackson's 2025 Scottsdale auction. Decked out in an eye-catching triple black color scheme, this custom version is far more than just a visual statement, it's a fusion of vintage elegance and modern performance. Originally part of the fourth-generation Lincoln Continentals produced from 1961 to 1969, the 1965 model has been a staple in the hearts of car collectors and enthusiasts for decades. This particular car has been subject to an exhaustive restoration that combines timeless style with cutting-edge upgrades. The exterior retains the original design with subtle, modern enhancements such as upgraded LED headlights with halo rings and staggered 20-inch chrome wheels by Isotope, lending a contemporary twist to its classic lines. However, it's under the hood where this Restomod truly comes alive. Gone is the Continental's mild-mannered reputation, replaced with a ferocious 5.0-liter Supercharged Coyote engine, developed by Roush and tuned by Lund Racing. Coupled with a performance management system and Ford's 10-speed transmission, this engine propels the Continental into high-performance territory, delivering power and agility that would shock any purist who expects a soft, cruising experience. To support this power, the car's suspension has been thoroughly upgraded with Murray custom rods, front control arms, double adjustable QA1 coilovers, and a reinforced crossmember front clip. The rear suspension features a 4-link system with QA1 coilovers, paired with a Currie Sportsman 9-inch axle for enhanced durability and stability. These modifications ensure this Restomod isn't just about straight-line power, it handles with precision and control. Inside, the luxurious theme continues with a complete black Napa leather interior. From the factory bucket seats to the custom Isotope steering wheel and door panels, every detail has been meticulously crafted. The car also boasts a state-of-the-art audio system, including a retro sound unit with Bluetooth, 10 speakers, amplifiers, and a JL audio subwoofer, creating an exceptional sound experience. This extraordinary 1965 Lincoln Continental Restomod will be offered at Barrett-Jackson with no reserve, attracting the attention of both collectors and performance enthusiasts. If you've been dreaming of a classic car with modern enhancements, this triple black powerhouse is sure to be the ride of a lifetime.